Hey, it's Waffle Tech again. It's another train crossing video, and guess what? There's a train on the far track. So, update. I have a video coming out later this week, if not tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, it's actually relating to this crossing. Let me roll the window up so it's quiet. Not this crossing in particular, not even this railroad line. But yeah, I had a neat little undiscovered gem that happened when I just so happened to do a thing. And then right after that I got talked to by the police. So anyway, quick little video. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Waffle Tech time.